Finding your niche. How to decide your niche with no experience. Welcome back to Business with Joe. If you're here, you're probably excited about starting a business but feeling a bit lost about how to choose the right niche. Don't worry. In today's video, we're going to explore step-by-step how you can decide on a profitable and fulfilling niche, even if you have no prior experience. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your business success. It helps you target a specific audience, stand out from competitors, and become an expert in your field. Let's break down the process into detailed steps. Self-assessment. Start by looking inward. Make a list of your interests, passions, skills, and experiences. Ask yourself, what topics am I passionate about? What are my hobbies? What skills do I have? What problems have I solved in my personal or professional life? This step is about identifying areas where you can bring unique value. For instance, if you love cooking and have a knack for creating healthy recipes, that could be a potential niche. Brainstorm niche ideas. Now that you have a list of your interests and skills, it's time to brainstorm niche ideas. Think about how these interests and skills can solve specific problems or meet specific needs. Write down as many ideas as possible, without judging them. This is all about getting creative and considering all possibilities. For example, if you're passionate about fitness and have experience in personal training, potential niches could include online fitness coaching, fitness programs for seniors, or workout plans for busy professionals. Market research. Once you have a list of potential niches, it's time to validate them with some market research. Here's how you can do it. Google Trends. Check the popularity of your niche ideas over time. This tool can show you whether interest in your potential niche is growing, stable, or declining. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to see what people are searching for related to your niche. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. Competitor analysis. Look at businesses already operating in your potential niches. What are they doing well? Where are the gaps? Analyze their websites, social media, customer reviews, and marketing strategies. Social media and forums. Join groups, follow hashtags, and participate in discussions related to your niche ideas to gauge interest and identify common problems or questions. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook, and LinkedIn can be goldmines for understanding your target audience. Evaluate profitability. Presenter. It's essential to ensure that your niche can be profitable. Consider the following. Market size. Is there a large enough audience interested in your niche? Use online tools and databases to estimate the size of your target market. Competition. Is the market saturated or is there room for another player? A highly competitive market might be difficult to break into, but it also indicates strong demand. Monetization. Can you identify ways to make money in this niche, such as selling products, offering services, or through affiliate marketing? Consider different revenue models like subscription services, one-time purchases, or ad-supported content. For instance, if you're considering a niche in sustainable fashion, explore if there are enough consumers willing to pay a premium for eco-friendly clothing and what unique value you can provide to stand out. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to get feedback from others. Talk to potential customers, join entrepreneur groups, or seek advice from mentors. This can provide valuable insights and help you refine your niche idea. Ask open-ended questions to gather in-depth feedback. For example, what do you find most challenging about topic? What kind of solutions are you looking for? How much would you be willing to pay for product service? You can use tools like SurveyMonkey to create surveys and collect responses from a wider audience. Test your idea. Before fully committing, test your niche. Create a minimal viable product, MVP, or a pilot service, and see how your target audience responds. Use this phase to gather more feedback and make necessary adjustments. Here's how you can do it. Landing page. Create a simple landing page describing your product or service and collect emails from interested visitors. Use this to gauge interest and build an initial customer base. Prototypes. Develop a basic version of your product and offer it to a small group of users. Collect their feedback and iterate. Pilot programs. If you're offering a service, run a small-scale pilot program. For instance, if you're considering a niche in online fitness coaching, offer a free trial to a limited number of participants. Commit to your niche. Presenter. Once you've tested your idea and feel confident in its potential, it's time to commit. Develop a business plan, set clear goals, and start building your brand within your chosen niche. This involves branding. Create a strong brand identity, including a memorable name, logo, and consistent visual elements. Marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan to reach your target audience. Utilize social media, content marketing, SEO, and email marketing. Content creation. Start creating valuable content that addresses the needs and pain points of your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates. For instance, if you chose a niche in sustainable fashion, you could start a blog about eco-friendly fabrics, create video tutorials on sustainable DIY fashion, or launch an Instagram account showcasing stylish, sustainable outfits. And there you have it, a detailed step-by-step guide to finding your niche, even if you have no prior experience. Remember, choosing a niche is a process that requires time and research, but with these steps, you can make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on starting and growing your business. Leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Good luck finding your perfect niche.